Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over some instant confidence boosters that really work. Make sure to watch to the end because I've got some really good tips in this video about temporarily boosting yourself. One thing, however, these are temporary confidence boosters, so don't count on them working in the long term. Working on confidence is a long term goal, and you can't shortcut that because it takes for your inner and outer spirits to work together. Just think of a racing car. The car is only as good as its driver. And that's what your body is. Your body is only as good as your mental state and your self belief. I used to be in the same situation where my confidence was very low, and with no luck in striking a conversation with anyone, even a cashier, because I was too nervous. These temporary confidence boosters are excellent baby steps to eventually gain real confidence because once you succeed once, you'll understand that confidence is within you, but you just need to unlock it. Remember, life is a marathon, not a sprint, so take it slowly, at first, whilst learning what you're doing wrong, then continue to make moves. So, on to some instant ways to raise your confidence quickly. 1. The 3-second rule, but also has many other names, such as the 5-second rule, or just freaking wing it, because at the end of the day, that's what you're doing, saying to yourself it's now or never. I've said this tip before on the channel because it simply works. About 20% of my life actions have been through this tip. Whether the choice was to approach a girl, accepting a job offer, or proposing to my now wife, it removes overthinking and instills a just do it mentality. What you must do is just count to 3 and just approach that girl and ignore every single consequence that can happen. It's really that simple. What I found when doing this is that it basically removed everything from my head other than the numbers 1, 2, 3. Don't think of anything after 3. You just go up and talk to that spicy girl and kick it off with her. I appreciate that this might be hard for some to start off to just wing something. However, the start is always the hardest. It's like learning a new instrument. The start is always the hardest, then it gets progressively easier. So, the first time, if you require something like alcohol to loosen up, then do it. 2. Bring your friend, give you moral support. So, here's a story of my life when I didn't approach this girl once, when I was in college. There was this girl who I liked for a very long time. Even though by college I had already had a few girlfriends, I still had confidence issues. This girl was a stunning 10 out of 10, with an amazing personality, so my friend tried to get me to approach her because I wouldn't stop talking about her. He'd constantly say, "Now's your chance." However, I never did. And to this day, that friend still brings up how I never had the balls to go up and speak to her, which I cringe to because I know I'll hear that story till I die. From then on, I always approached girls when my friend was around because I knew if I didn't, then he'd forever go on about it. It creates a liability for you that makes you only want to win since there's a consequence if you don't do it. Also, a small favor here. Can I ask for you to smash the like button, please? Anyway, a friend will also support you and not just take the piss out of you, such as providing their advice and reinforcing their own positivity towards you, whilst providing you with constructive criticism. As someone who now mentors my friends a bit about women, I always give them good ways, such as in these videos, but also saying they've definitely got a shot and reflect on their past accomplishments, like once having the balls to approach that girl out of his league. One thing as a mentor is that I always say the truth. I've learned in the past, with work and mentoring, that you can't sugarcoat much in life, because the only way you're going to learn anything is by taking offense to it. Taking offense to something is when you really take it to heart. Therefore, you're going to try fixing it. If I saw my friend do an absolute abomination of an approach, then when he comes back from the girl, I'll make sure to tell him that his approach sucked. And that's how your friends should be to you too. They have to be truthful, so you don't waste your time or theirs. 3. Make yourself look great. When you head out for anything, just instantly grab those clothes you're comfortable in. I know for a fact I'm super confident in jeans and a shirt, but not so in a suit. Being in a suit makes me feel like I'm going to a job interview, so I'm always being judged, whilst with jean and shirt, it makes me fit in with everyone else. This may sound contradictory to some of my other tips in other videos. However, there's a difference between looking confident and actually being confident. Trust me, real confidence will beat looking confident any day of the week, because in this case, you're approaching the girl whilst looking confident is more of a way to get girls to approach you. This, however, doesn't mean clothing that are baggy and untailored. Make sure to get fitted clothing, even if it's as simple as a t-shirt, because no matter how confident you are, a woman will always be turned off by bad dress sense. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, so make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, comment what else you'd like to see, and hit the icon.